Hello everyone, welcome back to Diana's Kitchen. Today's recipe is very interesting. It's from the land of the Nagas. Have you ever tried Naga food? I think most of you have not tried. The food of Nagaland is known for its variety and simplicity. Naga food is considered spicy due to their love for the most famous king chili known as Raja Mircha in the northeast. Also known as bhoot jolukia, it means ghost chili because it's so spicy and hot. Naga cuisine comprises of some very healthy dishes and hearty meals, but a lot of them remain unexplored. So don't miss the opportunities in case if you have ever get a chance to try these dishes. Mustard leaf, in Nagamese lai pata, and in my dialect it is jigi. Some of my friends used to ask me, so I'm showing it. These are the ingredients for making Naga chutney: round bitter gourd and bitter gourd from my garden, and this is king chili. If you are trying it for the first time, be careful, it's so hot and spicy. Bhoot jolukia, ghost chili, and that is bamboo shoot, and that is Naga chips, and the other one is Naga spring onion. We call it kuva. It's awesome. The Nagas love their smoked meat, so this is smoked beef all the way from Nagaland. This is mushroom all the way from Nagaland.